Hi guys, today we are going to unbox the Max Protein Ultimate and compare and going to give a solid taste test. Come, let's do it. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world. This is Max Protein Ultimate of 30 grams protein in each bar. In website, the expiry is mentioned as until 2025, but here 14/12/24. Are they faking dates in website? Build strength, sustained energy, hunger satisfaction, blah 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 blah. Here comes the main nutritional information. Protein of 30 grams, total carbohydrates of 44.7 grams, dietary fiber of 10 grams, total sugar of 0.5 grams. Added sugar is 0. Ingredients: protein blend, soy nuggets, whey protein concentrate, calcium, all those things mixed together. Okay, let's unpack and get the bar out. The Max Protein Ultimate. All those cautions are mentioned here. Before giving a taste test, let's compare the daily protein bars versus ultimate protein bar, also versus classic protein bar. Come, let's do this. What we are going to discuss. Going to compare three types of almond protein bar from RiteBite Max Protein. Compare main ingredient protein in grams and source of proteins. Discuss other fiber and vitamins. And finally, how Max Protein Ultimate is better than others in taking main ingredient as protein. Here's the three protein bars we are going to discuss now. Choco Almond Daily Bar, Choco Classic Daily Bar, Choco Almond Ultimate Bar. Let's discuss net weight in grams, price in INR, protein in grams, fiber, source of protein, and vitamins for all three bars. The net weight for daily bars is 50 grams, and the net weight for ultimate bar is 100 grams. The price difference 75, 70, and 175. According to the fiber content and zero added sugar content, the price varies. 10 grams of protein in daily bars and 30 grams of protein in ultimate bar. The fiber content little varies from the classic bar and the almond bar. The almond bar contains more fiber than the classic bar. The source of protein, vitamins and minerals are same for all three bars. Soy nuggets, whey concentrate, protein blend. As you see, the major difference are highlighted. You can select accordingly. Let's discuss the Max Protein Ultimate, how it is the better option. All we need is to achieve ultimate source of protein to achieve daily protein. And for those busy days, we can't achieve our protein. We can easily have a healthy snacking contains 30 grams of protein. This contains no artificial sweetener or preservatives in comparing. But however, the protein rich food is highly recommendable as this is processed snack. Please be aware consuming too much leads to a problem. Come, let's give a taste test. Here we are going to give a solid taste test of this Choco Almond Protein Bar. Okay, let's try this. Here you can see the Max Protein Ultimate contains 30 grams of protein as we discussed. Let's open this. You can see here the bar. Wow, it smells amazing and seems nutty and crunchy. Can't wait to try it. Let's have a bite. Mmm, wow. The almond flavor is really prominent. It's not too sweet also. Mm. Mm. You can see the dark compound is there and the oat things and flax seeds, all those almonds up right here. Wow, it tastes really good. No artificial preservatives, no artificial sweetener, all those things. The texture is chewy but has nice crunch in it. The aftertaste is pleasant and not overly artificial. This is fantastic for post-workout snack and the sugar content is also pretty low. Just what we want. Thanks for joining me this taste test. If you have tried this protein bar or your favorite protein snack, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tasty reviews like this. See you next time. Danke. Tschüss. Like